Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. Yes, this is the second puzzle. Regular puzzle at Four Stars Sudoku in today's newspaper of Monday, April the 22nd, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 3 star Sudoku. So two puzzles remain, the binary and a 4 star Sudoku. Yeah. News of the day. Well, almost 200 days ago, another war started. Not in Ukraine, but in Israel against Hamas. Still continuing, and the Israeli just read the news. Israeli army bombed a building in Rafah. 19 people killed. Uh, Amongst those people, 14 children. Well, shocking news, shocking news. 14 out of 19 are just children. Alright, this one will be number 8407. Again, this one has 26 printed digits. Should be a 2 stars, not a 4 stars puzzle. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. For 4 stars puzzle, 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. Alright. Question is it a 4 stars puzzle or 2 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Alright, which number can I pick? How about the 5 in this row, 5 in the third row? So the row between second row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next, so that column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5, 5, okay. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Cannot continue with the 5 now. Need to wait. Then, let me see. How about the number 4, 4, yeah, 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So that row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 in these 3 boxes. We have 4 in this row, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in this middle row. So the row below, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 in that column, no 4 there. Only place left for the 4 should be there. 4, 4, okay. 4, 4, 4, 4. Cannot continue with the 4 now. Need to wait. Then, let me see. How about, 6, 6, 6, 6, 7. Yeah, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the last column, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. We have a 7 in the last row, no 7 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. 7. I need a 1 here. Okay. And I need 6. Come on. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column, so the column between only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in the second row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 4 missing numbers in the first row. One of the missing number is an 8. We have 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. In the first row, here or there, we see another 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above the only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8, 8, okay. 8, 8, 8. 8, 8. Cannot continue with 8 now. How about the 7 in this column? 7 in the middle column. So the column next to only 2 places left. The 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this row. 7 in the middle row. So the row above. The only 2 places left. The 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column. Third column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the first column. 7 in the third column. So the column between, only 3 places left. The 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the last row. No 7 there. 7 in that row. No 7 there. Only place 11 to 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 7. Okay. Alright. 8. How about the 5? Still cannot continue with the 5. 5, 5, 5. Okay. 4. With the 2. How about the? Need a 2 here. Need a 2 there. Wait, need a 1 here. Need a 6. Need a 3 here. Well, only 1 3. Cannot believe this. Only 1 3. Then 3 6 6 6 6. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 in this box. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. 6 in one of those 2 boxes. In the last row, 6 in that row. So the row between the only place level 6 should be there. 6 6. Okay. 6. Wait. How about? Need a 2. No, need a 2 there. Need a 2 there. Need a 2 here. Yeah. In this row, 3 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are the 1. The 2 is missing. The 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3, 8. And look, we have a 2 and 8 in the middle column, so no 2 and 8 in this box. 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 2 goes there, so 1 digit left in this row. For the number, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Alright. Need 8 there. Need 8 there. Okay. 2, 3, 3, 3. Come on. Need a 2 there. And I need 8, 8, 8. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. No, cannot continue with 8. 4, need a 4 there. Need a 4 here. No. Come on. No 9 here. 9, need a 9 here. Need 9 here. Need 2 here. 2 or 9. 1 1. Need a 9. Need a 5. 5 5. Come on. Need a 9 here. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row. 9 in the first row. So the row between only 3 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 in the column next, no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. 1 1. And I need a 2. Come on. Well, need a 4 here. Need a 4 here. Five. Need a 5 here, need a 5 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 in these two boxes. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 in that box. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those two boxes in this column, 5 in that column. So in the column between the middle column, no, only place level 5 should be there. 5, 5. Okay. 5, 5. Okay. Cannot continue with the 5 now. Need to wait. Need to wait. I need a 6 here. Think. 8. 8. 1 in this row. 1 in the row below. So the last row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the amount. 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. Mark those two boxes earlier with a 9. We have a 9 in this column, so this box can be 9 and 1. That box should be 9. 9 in this column, 9 in that column, so the column between. The middle column, the only place left for 9 should be there. 1 box left in the middle column for the number 1. Then 3 and a 6. Wow. 3 and a 6. 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes in there. 1 box left in the first row for the amount. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. Mark those two boxes earlier with a 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. I need a 6 here. Okay. Need a 6. Oh, wait. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row above, the only two places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the last column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Then 1 box left in this big square for the amount. 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 6 in the third row, 6 in the first row, so the row between the second row, the only two places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 6. Okay, then 2 and 3. How about the number? Need a 4 here, need a 4 there. How about the 5s? Well, need a 5 there, need a 5 here, need a 5 there. No. Ooh, how about? We have all the 9s. 9. No, we have not the 9s. The 1. Yeah. 1, 4, 2, 3. Thinking. 2. 2 to 3. 2. I'm stuck. 1, 3. 3. 1. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in middle row. Those missing numbers are, let me see. One is missing. 2 is missing. 3 is missing. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. We have 3 in this big square, no 3 there. So the 1 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. So 1 digit left in this row, middle row for number 2. Alright, 2, 2. Well, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. We have a 2 in the middle row, no 2 there. So the only place left with the 2 in this big square should be there. So the 1 and the 3 are left. The 1 and the 3, let me mark those. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and the 3. 1, 2 and the 3, yeah. Let me mark those. 1, 2 and the 3. Okay. Yeah, 2 numbers left. 1 and a 3. Okay. 1, 2 and a 3. 1, 2 and a 3. And I need a 4 here. Yeah. 4 should be here. 4 should be there. 1, 3 and a 5. 3. 1, 1. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 he is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 1, 3, 5. No, sorry. 1, 5, 9. 1, 5, 9, 1, 5, 9, 1, 5, 9. And look, we have 1 and a 5 in the first column. So no 1 and 5 in this box. 1 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 9. Okay. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the first column, so the column between. Second column, only 2 places left on the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. Alright. 2, 3, and need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. Okay. I need a 4 here. Well. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers are 1. We have a 1 in the first column, no 1 in these 2 boxes. The 1 could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 1 in that row. First row. So the row between. The second row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. I've eliminated here the 3. The 3 should be there. Now 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 1 and a 5, we have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, the 5 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes early with 1. We have 1 in the second column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. Then 1 box left in this middle row for number 1 then. Okay, 2 missing numbers in this big square for number 1. The 2, 3 is missing, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in the third column for number 1. The 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. The 2 goes there. 2 and the 3, we have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. The 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for number 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. The 5 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 in this row, 3 in the third row. So the row between second row, the only place level 3 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. The 2 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in the third row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. The 8 goes there. Finish in 19 minutes. Well, took me longer than the previous Sudoku. Well. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars here. Need those minutes. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solve myself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle, the binary puzzle. Until then, bye-bye for now.